Does the C in USB Type-C stand for computer? Honestly, with how advanced these cables are getting now, you could almost justify it. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus, the industry standard created to transfer power and data between devices. The Type-C refers to the connector design itself. It was named that simply because it came next after Type A and Type B. But despite the simple naming convention, Type-C represents a massive leap forward technologically. Unlike older USB connectors, USB Type-C was designed from the beginning to handle high-speed data, video output, intelligent power delivery, and reversible orientation through a single connector. One common misconception is that the silver metal oval is the actual connector, but that's the outer shell. It's mostly structural. The real connection happens through the tiny embedded pins hidden inside the connector. Those microscopic contacts are what carry the power, the data, and the video signals. A modern USB Type-C cable can charge a laptop, transfer massive amounts of data, and drive high-resolution displays, all in the same connector. To make that possible, manufacturers have to engineer around signal interference, heat buildup, mechanical stress, and microscopic manufacturing tolerances. At USB 4 and Thunderbolt speeds, even tiny inconsistencies in solder joints or wire routing can create signal problems. Under X-ray, engineers can inspect the internal differential pairs, verify spacing consistency, and identify hidden solder defects that would otherwise be impossible to see. Shielding is another major challenge. Inside the cable are layered shielding structures designed to isolate high-speed data from power delivery lines packed tightly together. Then there's the power delivery. Some USB Type-C cables can now carry enough wattage to charge full-size laptops. That makes significant electrical and thermal stress inside the connector. X-ray systems are used to inspect conductor alignment, crimp quality, and internal power connections and identify weak points before failures occur. The connector pins themselves especially require extreme precision. Those tiny embedded contacts must survive thousands of insertion cycles while maintaining exact alignment. The USB isn't just a cable anymore. It's a miniature high-speed communication and power management system compressed into something most people barely think about. Subscribe for more X-ray looks into everyday technology, and thanks for watching.